Wuxi LEV Intelligent Roller Company Limited was founded in 2011. The company is located in Wuxi City, China, adjacent to Shanghai Port, covers an area of more than 50,000 square meters. The company has more than 300 employees, with more than 30 sets of laser cutting machining center, CNC lathe, assembly machine, CNC production line, and other types of processing equipment. We mainly customize conveyor rollers, conveyors, hydraulic lifting platforms and other automated conveying equipment and accessories for our customers. Our products are widely used in express delivery, automated factories, warehousing, food, packaging, chemical, agriculture, airports, supermarkets and e-commerce industries, etc. We have been providing long-term service for more than 2,000 customers in more than 60 countries, which is widely acclaimed, and we are sincerely looking forward to cooperating with you.